What is up and what's good, everyone? In this video I will be showing you how to face paint Jack Skellington from Nightmare Before Christmas, the Pumpkin King. Actually, I got a different video for that up there.
Step 1. I outlined all of the sections of Jack's face, which basically were just his eyes. I did map out where I wanted to put his smile, but I painted over that anyway, so it didn't really do much of anything. I will say this tutorial has a lot of the same exact steps as the Imelda face paint tutorial. Jack is actually quite a bit simpler than Imelda.
What was that?
Halloween.
Then you can start on the black. Jack is so easy because there's only 2 colors in his entire face painting thing. So you could fill in the eyes or do the mouth. Hallie voted that I did the mouth first, so that's what I went with. I only filled in the bottom lip so that the lines were thinner. And I ended up shading the bottom lip, jawline, that thing, with some gray eyeshadow to make it look like the bones were going more into his mouth, but that is completely optional. And then I filled in the eyes, getting some serious panda vibes. Last step, I went through and put in all of the lines around his mouth. I don't think they're really stitches since it's not like his lips were sewn together or anything. Kind of like teeth, I guess? I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think these things are. Teeth, stitches, or something else? I don't know. But I just used a reference picture so I had an idea of where I wanted to put all of them. Made sure they were all different sizes and not even or patterned at all. Then the eyebrows. Again, the eyebrows are definitely optional. And I tried 2 different methods to them and only liked one of them. So I'll walk you through what I did for the eyebrow thing that I liked. Put a lot of eyeshadow down where I wanted it, spread it out a little bit, getting lighter as it gets closer to my forehead, and then when I have it the way I like it, I go back in with the white so that there is a harsh white line over the bottom of it. While I was waiting for the white to dry again, I drew in his nose holes and repeated the eyebrow process on the other side.
And that is pretty much it for this video, guys. If you like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. And if you want to see videos like this, but you have a request, then let me know in the comments down below. Movie, character, TV, video game, whatever you want. I'd love to give it a try. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.